Oh, go on. Fire's ready? Yes, King.
I look like
go on, King.
I come from Ike.
You know what do it already. Fire's ready?
Yeah, tell us that sweet note for sweetness.
Alright, 10 minutes. My son come back. Yeah. Circle back. Yes, sir. Ginger.
Great run. Great run. Mystical run. Patient run. Alright. You're good? Oh, man. You come out right early and strong in our man. Bring some juice, man. Bring some juice, man. I tell you, ox. They've been up forward from when. Bring in juice and all them things. That may wonder.
Nice and clean. This is Jamaica Good Life. Rock and come in. This is the seaside, so the crew them there. We got the tent already. Give thanks to Iron, give thanks to Terry. Black History Fridays. We take our time. You see? But I also a Mobile we say. Mobile we say. Look on it. We're cleaning every day. So I must bring a drum if you wanna come from Mobile. Link me 646-330-9150 and you go fishing with them, and when you come down you take 6,000 US Jamaican to get your license, and then you can just give them a nice little change and then take you out with them and experience the ocean. You don't have to pay no $80 like when you come. You can spend the whole day out there with them. The gas tank of gas costs $5,000. It's like $40 US. So you can buy the vest them for your picnic, you know. Cause them big boat out there, so the good army own the 3 boat them. But I work for different people, so we're going to deal with a fisherman who have one hand, so he wants some help. So make us see what he must say. You want me to leave it for you? So now, you go international over the world. You ready for that? Are you there? Yeah, go on, sir. So you go on. Wani. What's your name? Wani. I want to then call you. What then call you? Yeah?
Sadia, my beach name, Anthony Martin.
Anthony Martin. If you go global over the world, nobody now come look for you. Eh? No old woman now come look for you, say you left picnic with them.
No, sir.
You're safe.
Safe.
Police, soldier now look for you.
No,
bad man now look for you.
Clean your blood.
So who cut off your hand?
Burn you. No accident.
Car accident, you sure?
Yeah.
Nobody now go tell me no other story.
You're mad, man. When it went on building 2003 on this year, me get. This damage.
Alright, hold on the camera and I'll film nobody but you. Because I'll launch you to the world. So you tell me say you have a boat. You have a boat?
So natural.
So you are the one on Fisherman?
I'm going to go Fisherman.
You've done it before?
Yeah.
How many years you been doing it?
Before me lost my brother in there.
You
Now I'm brother in the
speak up, you know, because you're global, you know, brother.
Yeah, my lord.
The whole world are going to know you. Wait. Stop right there, sir. So natural. Are you sure, sir?
Me clean, man. Me clean like I wish to God believe.
Louder.
It's the laugh.
What you said to me? What you said to me? You tell me, said this is your boat.
Sure.
You are meaning that you borrowed a man give a run for you or?
No, man, I'm the one nothing, man.
You own the boat?
Yeah, I'm the one thing.
How many years you own the boat? You're sure?
Yeah.
Because the video got to millions, you know.
Yeah, I buy 2000 now.
You buy 2,000 louder?
2021.
So natural.
21.
So you're the real captain. Stand up beside the boat, man. Stand up right as a captain. So what should I call you, captain? I don't want to misname. I don't want to call you Captain Wani. I don't want to do that.
Yeah, man, Captain Wani.
Captain Wani. So what do you need from the people? What you need help with?
We just go engine up.
Louder, man. You can't talk like you're a girl, you know.
We just go engine up, you know, and do the rest of necessary things that we need and push off and go look.
So do you have the engine already?
No.
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 So if a man come in and buy the engine and you and him team up, somebody can do that. It's about 6,000 US for your engine? 4,000 US, less than that. So no big engine this need.
Yeah, 2,100. But what me I say differently, you know, that it. You see, man, when me would like help from, we just want to know, say, now go sideways. See, because me no want to, nobody go tie no boom for me. You see, want to deal with things straight.
Fishing, not
Fishing.
no nothing else.
No foolishness.
Okay.
Real fishing.
Me back up.
And that's why I no want no help from. Because I get the help. I no want no help from certain people.
Certain people, yeah.
They're going to tell me what
Take
to
your
do
time.
and tie things.
So if a man call and say, yo, say a 500 there, take a donation for save up for your boat,
Yeah.
and then can come spar with you and sign an agreement and say this is a donation for your engine.
What do you mean?
Cause me see what I say. So for many years you've been trying to stay clean, cause you know it go out there.
Clean. Me not even, the way me I try to deal with it clean. Anyhow, me never did clean somewhere that went gone a road. Trust me. Go have to deal with it honest and fair. Just want to have a nice little crew.
Slowly give them your phone number. Slowly.
518-3825.
518-30.
25.
So people, if you don't want to help the brother, the man have Captain Wani. See it there? People, if him can do this, what the boy don't want to rather do, Wani? What am I do?
I know what me I try to be like. And them not rate it. Noah, me I try to be like Noah. Because my sister we need something like this on the beach. Real,
so you have one of the biggest boats out here, sir?
The next one now. There's a can done. Can come looking at it.
Wait a minute. So me see how I walk around and a man will all judge you and know say you think up.
Me up, man. Me know no foolishness, man. Me just a carry on.
Brother.
Yeah. And me and crew that put on the river for turn.
When?
When you see me come down there every minute, a bada.
Oh, my brother. Brother, then you know can.
No big man, you know see. No.
I'm proud of you, you know. More Jamaica look up to you, you know. More and them call you. Say the number slow again.
518-3825.
The only way me can do I put you out there. Up to them now. Cause if you start, yes sir.
Yeah man, me start from scratch man. It was nothing. And nothing me bring to something. You mash up worse than a little piece of oil something. You spend around $4 on it. For good hard dollar. Millie me I talk about it.
So when people see this, what do they say to you? Do you get jealousy, love? What kind of...
Some of them jealous because them really believe that them should have.
Them shouldn't have it, but you work and save.
You work and save and do me thing little.
What do you do for a living?
To paint.
You paint?
And wash building, yeah.
And wash building?
I paint, look on them thing and do it.
You're artist?
Yeah. So some flash me.
So even how long your hand has been like this?
I wrote me on 2003, December the 23rd.
2003?
Yeah.
And you've still been working, painting?
Stop.
So you paint with this hand even though you can't?
I paint and power wash building. I have wash it out, wash off the shutter them and on in and so.
How old are you?
Well, I'm 58.
So how come me never get your story? So me I perceive you as a bad man?
If you perceive me as a bad man, I'm a good youth man, no. You're good I'll use the holiday, maximum use the day.
Okay, so what keeps you good in the good army? What keeps you balanced?
I just work and focus. Focus on what me try to live up. But I like it manifest and all of that, so every day I just get up and just put some more effort in it.
Are you children? You have children?
Yeah, I have a son and some granny.
And them good? Them love you?
Great, I'm great.
So them come see your boat?
Yeah,
Them love it?
I love it, but I like to help me and then have it power for me.
Got it. So anyone who have power to help the brother, or no can call him, no mix up
thing. As long as them clean, as long as them clean. Me no want no
big
dirty
help with dirty. Him no want dirty up himself.
I'm an old man and me no want to go and no prison in my age.
No need for that. So now, do you have save up for the engine already, or one engine, or two you want?
Two more. I have a part of my food already.
Good.
Now wait.
Take your time.
Yeah.
But this is film is from the Almighty to you and to the people, cause that's all me can do.
Yeah man, you do great man.
You see me?
Yeah,
Brother,
do great,
I'm so proud of you, brother.
It takes you did know all along.
Brother, you say me keep myself to myself.
Yeah.
And the Almighty moved me this morning and say you have to go out there. So I say, Almighty, why you deal with? Say, Randy, get thou camera and up on thy bicycle.
Yeah.
Cause there is something waiting.
I see him thing get up this morning and jump on a cycle. I ride from Paradise come down.
Eh? So the whole mobile know you. How long you there?
I'm not tell us for 68 years now.
Okay.
58 years.
Brother, when me say proud, you know, if Prime Minister could have only see that video, if somebody know him, one of my friends know somebody will know somebody. I'm not gonna tell her if send that video to somebody.
Yeah.
And if the somebody them can drive up in a nice car from the government and say somebody have to go help somebody. If a man like you just want two engine, why somebody in a government can't say if we can't, they want to win office, they want to win vote. No, you them for help. I mean,
you want to know say me have a virgin come here somewhere there. And when you see what me really are done. The virgin said, if you can have one and another move, so you have to give you some help, man. See? Because although you have one and you're not dead, you're still alive because I see enough people with two and them are living dead. You see me I deal with me at work and I'm happy for them.
So you have a regular phone if somebody can send you Western Union?
Yeah man,
regular phone.
Yeah.
So this is a movement to support. Give us your real name.
Anthony Martin.
Anthony Martin, age 53, lost his hands 2003, right? But he continued working, wash building and paint.
Yeah.
So you can paint my house.
I mean man, top and bottom. I all paint all 3 stories. The paint lights.
What month you born, brother?
23rd of May, Labor Day.
I'm here. You're Taurus?
Labor Day.
Me are 7th.
You know what I was saying? This have the 23rd here and I'm born on the 23rd. I'm not this year I want to do it. The 23rd year.
So you're Taurus?
Yeah.
Come out of my month. Me see how you move, you're moving, brother.
Yeah,
me see how you move, you have a calm, true spirit, you're over loving, they always take you for granted.
Yeah, tell me to fool.
And then things say you're a fool, but when you lift off, them have to jump on the cliff and come off.
No stuff.
You see when you lift off?
Yeah.
Yo, brother, you see this?
Yeah. This is great, man.
This is Jamaica Good Life.
Yeah.
You see what you do, brother?
Yeah.
You know how much Jamaican are going to look up to you and say, yo, if, and you them, you know.
Yeah. If one can do this.
If one can do this and there's no body night, they are work.
Yeah. No, clean.
No
clean,
man
clean
can
stuff.
call and say,
No,
a
no,
thief,
no.
the boy thief money.
No.
A drugs money, or this or contraband.
No.
Him and him friend them a dirty gangster.
No,
You don't
no,
lose no hand from no accident. I chop somebody chop out kind thief goat.
no,
Nobody
no.
can say that.
Can't say that. This a piece of onion. The doctor have to patch it on the so.
No bullet scar. You don't have no bullet scar.
No bullet scar, man.
Okay.
This a piece of onion.
Okay.
Just because them want to generate some life, you know, them plant it underneath.
So tell us about the accident you had.
I paint a building sometime 2003 to a Muslim. I think should have said Muslim.
Load.
I paint a building 2003.
Three.
I was electric shock.
Electrical shock. Painting a building 2003 electrical shock.
Yeah. Water and burn up.
Water and burn up.
Leg and all of that.
Okay.
Just I did white.
Mhm.
And the skin I come back to complexion. Still fighting it. When I come out of the bed, I don't stop. But I want to food because I say, I grow old. And if they not give me nothing, when time I have one and I'm old. No, when I have one and much as if I go have one and I go get old. So I try to work on my pension. Work on something that's like that. It's a bit easier for me when I get older.
Yes.
That's what I'm doing.
So now, how much experience you have on the ocean fishing?
I have a lot of experience.
Yeah. So when you're out there with your hands, you're like a captain giving orders.
Yeah, what I do, I just operate the boat,
Mm-hmm.
carry my fishing crew.
With you. So now you don't want no crew where have no issues and no.
No. You see, the crew when I try to work with,
Yeah.
me all want to know what plans they have in their life. Because if they not plan nothing, I don't want to work with them. So, them have an aim, we will work with them. But we go work towards.
You know what I'm gonna do for you? I'm gonna do something I'm gonna do something for you right now. What me I gonna do? I take the first step. You see me? Spiritually, you know, take too much away if you do something. You see me? You see what me I do right now? I'm put it on the side there, so. Cause you what? That's how we are gonna help you. But them say, every mikawa, mekawa. Alright, see there. So I would upon that. No, I would upon that. I would have.
I don't know.
Hey. So Echo Stan, you know, so the man good and he say he want good people. The Almighty all bless Captain Wani and his journey. And hopefully many other can come.
I mean, man, want clean crew more, man.
Clean crew.
Clean crew.
Bless this boat.
Clean, yeah.
And one day hopefully we'll break the buckle and the champagne buckle.
I mean, man,
It's a must because I bring it this far so the people them know.
yeah, we just,
The 2 engine them one, so I put this on my donation from Jamaica Good Life. You see me? Me give a first donation. You see what I say? It's not.
oh, boy.
So you see me why you take this and put it down so the other people them can call you. Give me the number slowly again.
518 38 25.
518
38
38
25.
25. 518 38 25. 518 38 25. And
So natural.
so natural.
That's what it is.
So, take up that for me. I'm
Yeah.
want you to save it, my brother.
You know, I'm not travel on money. I'm like a market and put
Please.
it. I'll show you when you come back. I'll show you.
Please, my brother. Because you know, a Taurus, you know, there's a Tarian line of the universe.
I mean, man,
We live by a universal line. You know.
you know, say, everything in the shit, you know, the hunger to human being. all the rest of them are animal and other things.
Now say something about them. We love everyone, but them are going to help you.
All of them are part of it, but not tell you our thing.
Our energy, our humanity energy.
Too human. Remember me tell you. The personality split through, you know. As we now go sit down to for prayer. You see, I'm just a God, the God from the other side.
Constantly moving, changing and balancing. So more you
so put your hand, yes, now use it. Remember me tell you that. So go towards the plan.
You see, when it work out, just frame it and seal it. You see me? Because of the blessing, the Almighty get me up this morning and John, me never, you know, move with the spirit. And brother, the day going come. You are the Noah of Jamaica. You are the Noah. This is the ark. Not the one where the boy that talk about the ark there. But maybe I maybe I eating this attack so the ark come. See there?
Where is it, man? But from nothing, man. Remember me tell you. A man say I'm nothing from nothing to something. You see where we are come from. One, me carry them for me head too, you know.
What?
Not the both of them.
So when people saw you, they must say,
I'm mad man. Carry them one piece for me head. From the hardware.
So them no come and compliment you no time, nobody no come and say you.
More for the war fi keep them all one night time when me arise, them say all 3 go every night because me not able to rise because me have one and me. So them kind of talk there. See man all tell me say when me done it, all I need to do is time me up and go operate the boat. Me one tell me all of that, you know. Since them are trying to get me scared in the game, but I don't have no fear. I'm going to do the work. We start it and I like to finish it.
The good army people will come around you and protect you.
I know.
That's why we're building the good army. The bad army out there now.
I know.
But the good army is coming.
I want good crew, me I go with. Blessed crew, man.
Y'all
have a prayer way for live.
Music and lovely and
I tell them, I said
you need to get half woman, half man. You can't just always bring man a sing.
You know hear me say? Me say me no want run no Calabar nor no Cornwall. See me want female in my thing because fishing thing a really female thing, you know. Man fi just go catch a fish and woman sell. You see me I dealing?
Would I love to see some female on the boat, man, and help you out, you see me?
I just want female and y'all take bush for me, so.
The right females them will come.
I know that.
Cause I know one named Sonia in a St. Mary and she want...
Me have one niece, man. I want other one. Where me sure say, I just because they don't have the power to give me strength to deal with it.
Yeah.
But
cause you're going to need a little crane too, you're going to need a little pulley or something like a tractor thing sometime cause you have to pull it out like a... Oh, yeah.
No man, this about that's how I do it, like how I do it. You see bottom I put on a copper bottom that's you can't stay in the water much longer. The barnacles and something them where that itch up on the boat bottom. For the paint I put on.
Yeah.
You kinda avoid that.
But how do you get it out? You just roll it on the log them?
You can roll and you can lift up too, and crane can lift it up.
A crane? And then once it's in the water, you're good?
Great. It's easy if you go in the water. Man. But when you go in, you can pull up every minute because I don't know, small vessel like that.
You know, let me tell you something. A lot of Jamaicans, a lot of people abroad underestimate Jamaicans.
Yeah. And we're great. I just iron for just sharp my iron and we not do it.
A woman tell me I said Jamaica gone to the dogs. Then if you're doing this, how can Jamaica gone to the dogs? Them now look on the good life.
Them now do the good things, me out. And you then do the good things, then we get the good
life. They
life.
must support you.
Yeah.
Because if them support you, that means if God never in a way you are do, it wouldn't reach a fire.
You see how things happen, you know. You see, if I do the right things, then the rest of things them fall in a place, see? And at that I'm not up to. I know me I do it good, and I know me I do it spiritual, and I know me thing real. That's why I have a name there. So natural. That's why I give myself a name.
Brother!
You great, man. All of them shit here. I'm the one and crude oil, and crude oil put up.
You on the good army crude oil?
Yeah. I make a good catch. and can load the water and then can go again. You see me I deal with.
Okay.
I don't want to
Serious thing.
rape the sea.
So you can put on many nets.
What you mean, man? Just go do some good work. If you want 2 or 1, 3 weeks and then
Your son, is he involved?
Involved, but no greatly.
Alright, him soon, when him see the video, him gonna say, Daddy, I gonna need my strength, you know. Right?
Great.
Because, I mean, you're international now. Enough people gonna call you. Say the number slow again, please.
518-38-25.
Alright. My brother and sisters, you see me put down my money already, so it takes a whole team, a whole village. Just
Clean team.
Clean team. Clean. Yes,
I
sir.
don't do no dirty work.
Yes.
That's
Brother, if me did have the money, me just give and sign an agreement. Say me is a gift. Me not own nothing.
That's cool. That's
Any man give you nothing.
You feel like could have done me that.
Any man give you nothing.
Yeah.
One day.
Yeah.
I mean I say this. Just make them write a letter and say it's a gift.
Yeah.
So no matter what, a man can come bad you up and say, boy, you know, say me and him going a business.
Nah, man, you see, something where me go do. Me not deal like no figure, man. Hey, all of me thing them have to document and know which part me I go. Then not say. Me get around 10 help, you know, over here. You know. But them the help them me no want a prison and go and send me. Me no want go no prison. Me no want no help like those. Clean help on it. Clean help.
Clean people.
Clean.
How do you pick out clean people?
Them amongst the crew, you know, so you have to search hard.
Let's take your time. Well, I tell you, my brother, I know there's Almighty. And I know today I never waste $1,000 a day. And I know say if I not do nothing else in my life,
You just sit no one.
I know say Jamaica, tell the Prime Minister say Randy want to talk to him and him have one number, so maybe the Prime Minister, hey, me go and send a video to a lady, you know. And a lady go and send it to a lady, you know. You see me? And you never know, you see them some big people in the world, you know. And them have some ego and some ego and say, yo, you know, say, yo, when me have all of this 401k I do, all this money and the man, me can just buy it. Them all car and say, well, how much for the engine? Next thing you know, they'll drive a car and drop off the engine where you want.
You want to know, say, I could have buy engine over there, but if I buy it, I'm going to struggle myself.
Oh, you mean a loan?
No, not really. I have a piece of food there. I could have get 2 smaller engines than the one what I made.
But you're patient.
You see, if you do it and if you go do it again, I go crosses. You see, I'm not
You see,
life to make a
enough of them want to see a fast start, you know. In a life, everybody, you know what they love? Them love fast start. People love failure, you know. And when you succeed, then them say, alright, we can pull him down now. But if you get up there,
guess how I do them where they run? I put a fire seal on the board as a chick star. Just a chick.
Yeah, so check the heads.
Just because them a bother me and all of that around the place, I put a fire seal on it and I put to the ice leader. I put no name, no number, nothing.
And them come round.
So around 4 somebody from Bota come. All of them worse than me, regardless they have them 2 and all of that. And them come to buy boat. They say me are dealing. I'm labor for nothing at all. I have to live my dream for me and you not expect to pay nothing.
Oh, so you want to take it off your hand for the car? Nothing.
And you don't know what I got you. And I know me not tell them me spending or anything.
You see, in our real life, the light a blink right now, but I'm telling you something. Boat now go sink right now because light a blink right now. But what I may say, this is the real thing right now. This is Jamaica Good Life, it's not a Cub Life. Me and Captain Wani, this is Randy for Jamaica Good Life signing off, but we're not laugh. We put down the money already, so stop on the coughing and start participate. Because this is where can greater than great. Yo, so natural. Are you saying here? So natural?
So natural.
So, people, see me them a star, see me them beside Michael Jackson. So natural. What? And love. Boy, me not cuss no bad word, but ja know people. No sir. That the story there, sir. No sir. Alright my people, cutting out all the joke. This is Jamaica Good Life. So natural. See the man there? Him have a plan. When you have him number, rewind the video, watch it again, get to the notepad. And we do this work, a God work and a bad work. It's Jamaica Good Life, building the good army and African Fridays. Hey, want you to be a part of, more you come down there. Every Friday them have African History Friday right there, so.
Okay.
So I want you to govern it too. But my brother, I will be on your crew. Once it's up and running, I will be there working for free. I just 2 fish me need, just
Madam,
2.
you go play one role for me. Tell me I tell you that, cause this is me alone can manage. See? And I don't want to deal with no fig lead way either. So
no man, I'm a strong man. Hey, a good arm, we say no brother. I remember saying, so we put our life on everything we do. And we not sneeze.
Let me tell you something. If me did that thing selfish and I think for myself, I couldn't make a one-hand move like this. That's why I think to help others.
You have to, because then you want not going to reap the benefits. It's a matter of putting everything in writing and make a man know, say you sign it, what you complain about. This is what you sign. So you got to sign a new one or keep moving. It's just not long talking, you know. When you get on the boat, you're supposed to talk. Yo, the boat, no, you can't. It's a spiritual boat. So natural. So when you come on the boat, you're supposed to say, so natural. Everything's supposed to be so natural. So the argument, shoot the net and catch the fish and so natural. Put a fire, put a pot on it and cook and have some ladies and everything is so, bring all them baby. Like a family.
That's why I set it that way.
Then brother, every weekend you bring out 20 people, 10 people get them license and so it's bigger than fishing.
I can do more than fishing. I can go clean the grass off of this beach, put tarpaulin in it.
You know how many people from Sweden and Mexico, they say, I gotta go to Jamaica and visit So Natural with Wani, Captain Wani, you know what I know? You don't know in life, you know. I'm gonna put this on both sides. And I'm gonna put your number there. So when they come to Jamaica, everybody's going, I wanna donate this. So mommy, I wanna go see the boat with Captain Wani. You never knew, you know, brother.
I know that things can happen. I know. My belief is white.
Never get your new hat, you know, brother. With a little parrot for your shoulder.
I have my t-shirt there with my logo on it, you know.
So natural.
I'll bring you one of them.
I love it.
I have a logo.
You had a vision.
I have a big vision, man.
And the logo, same logo?
Yeah. Right on the side here.
Brother, may I tell you something? Ecostan, I'm going to send it to my brother, Virgin Ecostan. And brother, I could finish it up and zoom in on the thing. Alright people, this is Randy, Jamaica Good Life. So natural. Make this so natural dream a reality. And be a part of the good life, the good army. You know? Alright, until next time, cut out the vex time. You see me? And expect greater things to come. Yes. Brother, the day this go out there.